Ka Office u Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi hinin kasngi shipau tarik jelio kala play padba eka program ai Jinghikai shaki khon Samla ka Ribhoi district ban pentebet yalade hakaban Aireng haki Eksamin Thungkam bapher ya kene ka program la play hapatarim Umsning bahab haka Umsning C&Rd block Ribhoi district bat ya kene ka program ai Jinghikai shaki khon Samla an penlong habar ok block jong ka Ribhoi district. Habapli yakni ke program ai Jinghikai ki Samla ladan rengkat nadu UMLA ke Umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo UMLA ke Mauhati constituency ba Charles Marngar UADC ke Ribhoi Raja Brahma BDO ke Umsning C&Rd block ba Andrew Marthong Usomen Das director TIME Shillong Guwahati uba Khuborjylla rang ba snong ka patarim kiri rang ba bat ki Samla ke balashim bentah hakani ka program kerpang. Kani ka program kadai benta na ka Chief Minister's Career Guidance and Counselling Scheme ka badai ka scheme kerpang ban hikai pentebet eki Samla hakabala penlong da ka Office u Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi rengkat ka jingat trelang ki MLA bat ka Triumphant Institute of Management of Education Time Shillong Guwahati.
I want to become a doctor. With this line you will not become a doctor. Next day I have to go back again to Shillong. Change from arts to science. Back in those days, we only know there is arts, there is science, there's commerce. Not more than that. Now we know there is IIM, IIT, there's medical studies. Even arts has been named humanities, which confuses me a lot. I don't want that small knowledge to continue along with you. These 6 weeks should be able to open up your eyes and your minds, the innumerable opportunities that you can choose to make a career. It's not only arts, it's not only science, it's not only commerce. There are so many things in between. IITs accept arts students, they accept science students, they accept commerce students. But what do they study? Everyone come together. IIM also come together, the different streams. But these are topics which are hardly discussed among our youths. So, my wish is that Somen and the team will be able to enlighten you. 6 weeks seems to be a very long time, but if you regularly come, you'll find that it ends too soon. The Chief Minister wants the state to prosper, the youths to be employed through the right career choice. Now in this hall, how many do not want to make money? Raise your hands. How many do not want to make money? Raise your hands. Nobody. That means everyone wants to make money. Is correct or not? I can be a philosopher, give good advices to other people when I have financial security. Correct or not? I cannot give advices to people when I go back home, I don't have food to eat. So the best security that you can give yourself is financial security. But even that, money is not everything. Somen could have enjoyed in America with lots of money. But there is a call within him that we should be able to change the thought process and the mindset of our youth in the Northeast. That's why he is back. Now don't ask me why I became a politician. I did MBBS, I did my MD. When I came back to the state, I was never given to work in a place where I did my MD. Politicians are the one who control everything. Irrespective of your specialty, they'll tell you, go and work there, go and work there. Your subject may match or may not match. There is a nice cartoon. The best performing students go to engineering or medical line. Second best, they go to civil services. The third best in the class, they go and do business. The fourth, they become spiritual leaders. No? There is a nice cartoon. So at the end of the day, the best performing students, when they have problem in life, they go to that spiritual leader, Sadhuji. So he gives the wisdom to everyone. But I hope we will not be misled or misguided. We should be able to stand on our own ground. Our project director has said, if your aim to come here is only for DSC, you will not succeed.
Katu menengkong mone wong fi pide menong determination kalau ba pide menjo pide men pois clear juga. Idani way kena usaha syariah. Wah bangkit kuai bangkit tempo manusia. Kiu itu kiriya berwan seseorang. Ukulina kami jauh of men. Lalu ngan ini kijingan. Kami kejebab da lapai kalian till you reach the top, my son. But what hero, you have to go through, you have to go through. Kung bagay training, coaching, kapapio, but you wait. But ako yung isang ipin lang yung ijingin, hado untuk po yung kalian, jom kanam. Dengan kerpan ipi, kapit sim kya, ikan kesinjam, kesorkan, kesim, para bapas biye. Boleh sim ikan kesinjam, pulang ikan coaching class. Para bapas biye dan mengenongi sekolah sudah mengapas kelas 7 dan tidak Shillong dalam ceri. Hikai kasih tidak kelas 7. Kalau Shillong kurang harum nangkan para. Dene. Ini nak berapa? Kita ni kira problem. Kumno bangin pun ni interview. Kayak apa? Tangga DSC, luar try ba, berapa conduct interview, interview. Pitiba. Ikna jongi. Para bapas biye tu tambah. Ikamlah iwe nomor mana? Nomor ba. Itu nak ke English. You do not have knowledge, everything you do not. Dan nak tak tahu kan ni kucing kalau spesifik nak kamu tahu ni, bernak apa orang ini pergi ni kau. Tapi ham orang tista nak do Sdang, mah hadu pada kot dari kucing, kadang berpila penyukun ni ke. Hang ni ngai kan ni ke program kedon ke SSC, nang tak berdaya di bank, nang tak ada nak kejungan juga new education policy. Dan kena CUT kepada pihak Yakunnya kan. Begini loh kita kepada kamu kata. Apa benda itu ini bah kita nak pergi kena macam ni. Kita apply kamu kuliah. Mari kita selain orang buat macam ni deh. Kau apa yang dia mau? Klaim, lah mari physically klaim. Dalam politik das, imla. Boleh? Nama orang Indonesia. Tak tahu dengan begini kucing kebanyakan pulau. Yang kita mau uji berkuih. Bon, saya lebahan, lihat juga. I wish you all the best. But the way one part dari ini, dan bantu.
I had a very painful unemployed period of time. I struggled much. After passing out engineering, I left Aireng. I came back to Shillong. And I had a social problem. It's not like Bollywood or Hollywood story. Okay, it was a simple story that I was the only son and I had to look after my family. So it was that, and I waited for job for 3-4 years. I didn't get any job, so I started my business, and then also in NEHU, Khubor. So there I came across the way of life. The one who can survive in NEHU, Khubor, he can survive anywhere in this world. So there's the thing I learned. I learned so many business policies, the practical truth of the life. You can see a very good person and you can see criminal. Okay, you can see a very sincere person, at the same time you can find cheater. Okay, life is very interesting. And in the meantime also I used to prepare myself. I was not lucky like you, getting coaching classes, chicken surprise, nothing in our time. We just cut the paper clipping, put somewhere, and advertisement come and we just prepare. Our favorite magazine was Competition Success. Okay, so we used to read Competition Success, mock question paper, everything is there. So this was a very hard time. Then the silver lining was that when the success comes, success will come in like chain reaction time. Not on I passed 7 times I passed MPSC. 7 times I didn't get a job. And the biggest was thing that I cracked 2003 MPS. I was not selected there. I was a lone candidate from other tribe. Other tribe in OST, neighbor reservation decision I didn't get. So that was the thing. By now I would have been in the high level. So but what I'm saying is that the student will stop no more. 2004 I cracked MPSC, I was in GCIC. In 2010 I got promotion. In 2010 I cracked MPS and MCS. I joined MPS, I went to the police. Don't see my weight now. And MPS I got gold medalist from NEHU. I came out, I joined as Pro B, DSP Pro B, Joy. And in the meantime, we have a combined exam. I got a chance to join MCS. So it's always on the other side of the field of graded parts here. So I jumped from MPS to MCS. So far so good. As an MCS, I joined it. Then again, we got promotion, and now I'm in front of you as ADC. So my story of this unemployment to employed in different, section is fit to to make one Hindi movie, right? It's fit to make one Hindi movie. Why? Everybody has got some story to tell something in their own life. Like Somen has got, video has got, everybody has got, right? So you also have to make your own story. And it's not that the fate, the way you work hard, the way you shape the future is up to your life. Today we have this counseling and all, this is just a guidance, a tip to you. That what are things you learn? The rest lies in you. Your inner motivation, your ethic, how you work. Between your two, from the same sibling, maybe from the same house. One brother gets success, another doesn't get. Why? They stay in the same group, their father's same, they get the same school, they have got it, but not such one. It's a personal trait. If you want to get success, you need to work hard.